Welcome. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to decrease color contrast on X, formerly known as Twitter, when you're using it on your computer. If the recent update made your feed colors a bit too sharp or bright for your eyes, don't worry, this video will show exactly how to fix that in just a few steps. First, open your browser and head over to x.com. Once you're logged into your account, look at the left-hand side of the screen where the main menu is located. You'll see several options like Home, Explore, and Notifications. What you're looking for is the option called More. Go ahead and click on it. A new list of options will appear. From here, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can customize most of your account preferences, including how the platform looks and feels. Next, click on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. This is the category that controls how you view and interact with content on X. Under that menu, choose Accessibility. Inside the accessibility settings, you'll find several options designed to improve how you experience the website. Now, locate the setting called Increase Color Contrast. If this box is checked, it means your contrast is currently set to a higher level, which makes colors appear bolder and edges more defined. To decrease the color contrast, simply uncheck this box. Once you do, the visuals on your timeline will become softer and easier on the eyes. That's it. You don't need to save anything because the change takes effect automatically. You can scroll through your feed right away to see the difference. The new contrast should look smoother and less intense, giving your eyes a much more comfortable viewing experience. If you ever want to change it back, just repeat these same steps and recheck the box. It's that simple. So go ahead, adjust your settings, find the look that's right for you, and enjoy a more relaxing time on X.